In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use container shapes in draw.io to collapse and expand content. This simple yet effective technique can make your diagrams more organized and interactive, especially if you're dealing with complex projects or workflows. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to draw.io, or you might know it as diagrams.net. This is the platform where you'll be creating these dynamic container shapes that can tidy up and simplify your diagrams. Once you're there, you can start by inserting a new shape, or if you already have existing content in your diagram, you can select a shape that's already on your canvas. It's advisable to choose a shape that can comfortably hold other elements within it. This is because you'll be turning this selected shape into a container that will house additional shapes or content. Next, you'll need to resize this shape. The goal is to make sure it's big enough to accommodate the other shapes that you want to include inside it. This resizing step ensures that when you group these elements together, they fit neatly and maintain a visually appealing layout without overlapping or clutter. After that, look towards the menu bar and click on the Arrange button. This feature is pivotal as it contains several options to organize your diagram. Once in the Arrange menu, you'll find the Group option. Clicking on Group will initiate the process of transforming your selected shape into a container. It's this grouping functionality that allows the main shape to act as a parent, holding and managing the positioning of the other elements. Now, to activate the collapse and expand feature of your newly created container, you'll need to further configure it. Head back to the menu once again and this time click on the Extras option. This menu is where additional features to enhance your diagram's functionality are located. You'll want to select the Collapse Expand option. Enabling this functionality will endow the shape with the ability to toggle its state between expanded and collapsed. You'll notice a plus icon appearing on the shape. This icon acts as your gateway to controlling the visibility of the contents within the container. Clicking this icon allows you to effortlessly toggle between showing all the information contained within and hiding it, depending on what you currently need to focus on in your diagram. There you have it, a succinct explanation on how to create container shapes in draw.io that can collapse and expand. This can be a game changer for anyone looking to improve the navigability of their diagrams, making complex information more accessible and easy to digest. Remember to save your diagram to preserve your progress. Thank you for watching and happy diagramming.